Hi there, this is documentary about animals. So let's get started with the lion. The king of the animals. It can run fast. Its favorite food is meat. That's why it is good at hunting. Look at this one. This is a tiger. It looks like a large cat. It's orange or brown with black stripes. It lives in the jungle. Its favorite food is meat. And this is a cheetah. Cheetah is a medium-large cat which lives in Africa. It is very fast. It eats animals. Now look at the zebra. Zebras are African horses. They have white and black stripes. Their favorite food is grass. Elephants. The elephants are the largest land animals on earth. Elephant is gray. It's got a long trunk and big ears. This one is called a rhino. The rhino is big. A kangaroo. Kangaroos live in Australia. The kangaroo's female has got a pouch where can put their young, live until they are old enough. This is the bear. It is brown and big. Its favorite food is fish and honey. A polar bear. Look at the polar bear. Really, it is beautiful. It is white and it lives in the North Pole. This is a giraffe. It is very tall. It's got a long neck and long legs. This is the crocodile, the dangerous reptile. It lives in the river, waiting for fish or land animals to come. The crocodile can live long periods without food. Panda. Panda is black and white. Its head, back, and stomach are white. Ears, legs, and eyes are black. Panda is a good climber. It can swim too. Its favorite food is bamboo. This is a squirrel. Squirrels are omnivores. They eat anything they find. Most of them live in trees. They eat seeds, berries, and the pine cones too. This is a snake. Look at the snake. It hasn't got any legs, so it's a reptile. It is long. It lives in the desert or in the jungle. It eats eggs, fish, frogs, and small mammals. The seal. Seals are semi-aquatic marine mammals. They have 4 flippers. They have also a layer of fat under skin, called blubber, which keeps them warm in cold water. Penguin. Penguins are seabirds. They use their wings to fly underwater, but they cannot fly in the air. They eat fish and seafood. This is a fish. Fish live in the sea. A fish can swim. This is a hedgehog. The hedgehog is a small mammal. It has many spines on its back. It eats insects, snails, frogs, eggs, and mushrooms. This is an ostrich. The ostrich is a big bird. It lives in Australia. It has got a long neck and long legs. It can't fly, but it can run very fast. It eats leaves, fruits, and insects. This is a rabbit. A rabbit can jump. It's got long ears and a short tail. Chameleon. Chameleons are a family of lizards. They have very long tongues. They can change color. And this is a snail. It is kind of mollusk. They live all over the world, in soil, sand, trees, under leaves or rocks. It is slow. Butterfly. Butterflies are beautiful flying insects with large wings. They have 6 legs, 3 body parts, the head, the chest, and the tail end. Look at this one. This is a turtle. Turtles are considered as reptiles. They have got a hard shell that protects them. A turtle's shell is its home. This is a dog. It's cute. This is the wolf. Look at the wolf. It looks like a dog. A monkey. Monkeys live in group in family ties. They're intelligent, and their favorite food is banana. The peacock. Peacock is one of the most beautiful birds of the earth. Its feathers have a mixture of golden colors. The male bird is called as peacock, but the female is called as peahen. Owl. Owls hunt mostly small mammals, insects, and other birds. They hunt their prey in darkness. It's got a sharp beak and powerful talons. This is a parrot. Parrots are intelligent birds. They are multicolored. They have ability to make sounds like human voices. That's why the most of them are kept as pets. They've got a large head and a short neck. Their beaks are short, strong and curved. Now it's time to say goodbye and thank you everyone for watching.